Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mutum finance token. Ticker symbol is MUTM. Now this token is live for pre-sale. They basically just started phase 3 of their pre-sale on their webpage, mutum.finance. They've already raised over $3 million, 5,239 holders so far. This is an ICO on their webpage, and we're going to go over the information on the Mutum token, the Mutum finance token, and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says Mutum, ticker symbol MUTM, is a decentralized, non-custodial liquidity protocol that enables users to engage as lenders, borrowers, and liquidators. Lenders deposit their crypto assets into Mutum's liquidity pools to earn interest, while borrowers can obtain over-collateralized loans by securing them with sufficient collateral. Lenders contribute to the liquidity by depositing cryptocurrencies into a pooled contract, and concurrently, borrowers can access these funds by providing collateral within the same contract. This system does not require individual loan matching, but instead operates based on the collective pool of funds and the associated collaterals of borrowings. Mutum's interest rates for both lenders and borrowers adjust automatically based on market conditions. For borrowers, the variable rate is tied to the available funds in each liquidity pool. When a high portion of the pool's assets is borrowed, the borrowing rate increases. Now, this mechanism encourages a balanced utilization of capital. Meanwhile, lenders earn yields that align with the borrower's interest payments, and a reserve factor helps ensure that liquidity remains accessible at all times. By maintaining this liquidity buffer, Mutum aims to provide lenders with uninterrupted access to their deposits. This dynamic model rewards stakeholders who supply capital while preserving sufficient on-chain liquidity for borrowers across the ecosystem. Now, in a nutshell, that's what this project is about here. Now, if you want to get involved with the pre-sale, first of all, if they have a Twitter, I'm going to put it up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. Their Twitter is at Mutum Finance. There it is, real easy to find that. They also have a Telegram and a Discord linked on their webpage. Their Telegram is also at Mutum Finance. Webpage, mutum.finance. If you go to the webpage, right at the top of the page, there is a spot. It says Connect Wallet, Phase 3. 5% sold so far for Phase 3. Current price is about 2 cents USD. It says live now. And you can click on currency. So you could buy this token, you could buy this pre-sale with Polygon, BSC, Ethereum, USDT, and USDC. So any one of those would work. Now, first of all, you need a wallet, so you could use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet, and you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet, let's say with BNB. Then you go to mutum.finance, put Connect Wallet, punch in how much BNB you want to spend. It'll tell you how many MUTM tokens you get for that amount. Click Purchase. When the pre-sale's over, you can claim your tokens. It's pretty straightforward. Now, MUTM's tokenomics, it says the positive performance of the platform's native token, MUTM, is essential to the platform's success, particularly since Mutum is new to the market and must meet investors' expectations. For this reason, we intend to adopt the best strategy to attract new users to the platform through various incentives, while simultaneously implementing mechanisms that boost buy pressure. The initial strategy is to reinvest the majority of the profits earned from platform fees into a buy and distribute process for MUTM. Now, these tokens will then be allocated to MT token stakers who contribute to the safety module for a specific period of time, accepting a potential slashing risk to the event of a shortfall. Now, this approach helps absorb potential sell pressure stemming from purchases during the early phases of the public presale, as well as a balance to the liquidity mining emissions necessary to provide the most favorable participation conditions for both suppliers and borrowers. Subsequently, we will transition to a model in which most of the profit is reinvested in the platform to enlarge the pools, safety funds, marketing initiatives, etc. Nevertheless, the previous strategy will remain in place but be applied more conservatively with a predetermined maximum number of rewards for the buy and distribute program so as not to hinder the protocol's growth and expansion. It is crucial to implement vesting mechanisms to reduce sell pressure at the least stable time, like example would be launch, for all the public presale investors, team members, and funders, as well as the liquidity lock, emission schedule, and milestone-based distribution for all of the MUTM allocations. Moreover, vesting increases the impact of growth driven by new buyers resulting from exchange listings and enhances the efficiency of the buy and distribute strategy. And these measures will ensure the most successful possible launch for the MUTM token and are necessary to protect the interests of long-term investors. Such protection extends beyond the early stages of the protocol, supporting sustained and stable development. Now, token name is Mutum. MUTM is the ticker symbol. Listing price is going to be 6 cents. So the pre-sale stage right now, pre-sale stage 3 is selling it at 2 cents. So that's 1/3 of the listing price. This is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain with a total supply of 4 billion tokens. So go check out the presale, mutum.finance. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.